In this module, we will look at abatement of fees and bad debts. There are often situations in which the client requests a reduction in fees and where the solicitor must acquiesce to that request. This is known as an abatement of fees issuing a credit note. In this situation, the amount of VAT will also be reduced accordingly, and the solicitor will need to amend the original accounting records. For example, on the 25th of October, the firm delivers a bill of costs to the client for £1,600 plus VAT of £320. On the 2nd of November, the client requests the firm to reduce the fee slightly, and one of the partners agrees to reduce the original fees by £150 plus VAT. So you must first deliver the bill of costs to the client. Debit the client's ledger account £1,600 office section. Credit the profit costs in the office section. Debit the client's ledger account with £320 and credit the HMRC account. The records of the reduction will be as follows. Debit the profit cost ledger account £150 office section. Credit the client's ledger account £150 office section. And debit the HMRC account with £30 office section. The corresponding credit entry going in the client's ledger account. You should also send the client a credit note showing the amount of the reduction in the VAT. Note there's no change in client or office money because payment has not yet been received and no transfers of money have taken place. This situation is different from a situation in which money has been paid and later reimbursed. In such a case, the inverse accounting records must be registered from those recorded when the money was received.